Ruskin Bond is an eminent contemporary Indian writer of British descent. He prolifically authored inspiring children's books and was awarded Sahitya Akademi Award to honor his work of literature. Ruskin Bond was born to Edith Clark and Aubrey Alexander Bond in Kasauli, Punjab, British India. His father taught English to the Princess of Jamnagar Palace, and Ruskin and his sister Ellen lived there till he was 6. Later, Ruskin's father joined the Royal Air Force in 1939, and Ruskin, along with his mother and sister, went to live at his maternal home at Dehradun. Shortly after that, he was sent to a boarding school in Mussoorie. When Bond was 8 years old, his mother separated from his father and married a Punjabi Hindu named Hari. His father arranged for Ruskin to be brought to New Delhi, where he was posted. He was very close to his father and described this period with his father as one of the happiest times of his life. When he was 10, his father died of malaria while he was posted in Calcutta. Ruskin was at his boarding school in Shimla and was informed about this strategy by his teacher. He was thoroughly heartbroken. Later, he was raised by his mother and stepfather who lived in Dehradun. He did his schooling from Bishop Cotton School in Shimla, from where he graduated in 1950. He won several writing competitions in school, including Irving Divinity Prize and Haley Literature Prize. He wrote one of his first short stories, Untouchable, at the age of 16 in 1951. Following his high school education, he went to his aunt's home in Channel Islands, UK in 1951 for better prospects and stayed there for 2 years. In London, he started writing his first novel, The Room on the Roof, the semi-autobiographical story of an orphan Anglo-Indian boy named Rusty. He did various jobs for a living. It won the John Llewellyn Rhys Prize 1957, awarded to British Commonwealth writer under 30. He moved to London and worked in photo studio while searching for a publisher. After getting it published, Bond used the advance money to pay the sea passage to Bombay and settle in Dehradun. He worked for a few years freelancing from Delhi and Dehradun. He sustained himself financially by writing short stories and poems for newspapers and magazines. On his youth, he said, "Sometimes I got lucky and work got selected, and I earned a few hundred rupees. Since I was in my 20s and didn't have any responsibilities, I was just happy to be doing what I loved doing best." In 1936, he went to live in Mussoorie because besides liking the place, it was close to the editors and publishers in Delhi. He edited a magazine for 4 years. In 1980s, Penguin set up in India and approached him to write one of books. He had written Vagrants in Valley in 1956 as the sequel to The Room on the Roof. These two novels were published in one volume by Penguin India in 1993. The following year, a collection of his non-fiction writings, The Best of Ruskin Bond, was published by Penguin India. His interest in supernatural fiction led him to write popular titles such as Ghost Stories from the Raj, A Season of Ghosts, A Face in the Dark, Other Hauntings. Since then, he has written over 500 short stories, essays, and novels, including The Blue Umbrella, Funny Side Up, A Flight of Pigeons, and more than 50 books for children. He has also published his autobiography, Scene from a Writer's Life, describes his formative years growing up in Anglo-India, and a further autobiography, Lone Fox Dancing, was published in 2017. The Lamp is Lit is a collection of essays and episodes from his journal. Since 1963, he had lived as a freelance writer in Mussoorie with his adoptive family in Landor Mussoorie Ivy Cottage, which has been his home since 1980. Asked what he likes the most about his life, he said that I've been able to write for so long. I started at the age of 17 or 18 and I'm still writing. If I were not a professional writer who was getting published, I would still write. In his essay, Scenes from a Writer's Life, he explains his Indian identity. Race did not make me one, religion did not make me one, but history did. And in the long run, it's history that counts. His sister Ellen lives in Ludhiana with his stepsister until she died in 2014. He also has a brother named William who lives in Canada. Most of his works are influenced by the life in the hill stations at the foothills of the Himalayas, where he spent his childhood. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, was written when he was 17 and published when he was 21. It was partly based on his experiences at Dehradun in his small rented room on the roof and his friends. His earlier works were written without it being meant for any particular readership. His first children's book, Angry River, published in 1970s, had his writing toned down on a publisher's request for a children's story. On writing for children, he said, "I had pretty lonely childhood, and it helps me to understand a child better." Bond's work reflects his Anglo-Indian experiences and the changing political, social, cultural aspects of India, having been through colonial, post-colonial, post-independent phases of India. Bond said that while his autobiographical work, Rain in the Mountains, was about his years spent in Missouri, Scenes from the Writer's Life describes his first 21 years. Scenes from Writer's Life focuses on Bond's trip to England, his struggle to find a publisher for his first book, The Room on the Roof, and his earnings to come back to India and particularly to Doon. "It also tells a lot about my parents," said Bond. "The book ends with the publication of my first novel and my decision to make writing my livelihood," adding, "Basically, it describes how I became a writer." Being a writer for over 50 years, Bond experimented with different genres. Early works include fiction, short stories, novels, with some being autobiographical. Later, he tried out non-fiction, romance, and books for children. He said his favorite genre are essays, short stories. He considered himself a visual writer because for short stories, he first imagines it like a film, then notes it down. For an essay or travelogue, such planning is not needed for him. He feels that unexpected there makes it more exciting. Bond likes Just William by Richmal Crumpton, Billy Bunter by Charles Hamilton, and classics such as Alice in Wonderland and works by Charles Dickens and Mark Twain. In 1978, Bollywood film Junoon is based on Bond's historical novel, A Flight of the Pigeons. It was produced by Shashi Kapoor and directed by Shyam Benegal. The Rusty stories have been adapted into Doordarshan TV series Ek Tha Rusty. Several stories have been incorporated in school curriculum in India, including The Night Train at Deoli, Time Stops at Shamli, Our Trees Still Grow in Dera. In 2005, the Bollywood director Vishal Bharadwaj made a film based on popular novel for children, The Blue Umbrella. The movie won National Award for Best Children's Film. Ruskin Bond made his maiden big screen appearance with cameo in Vishal Bharadwaj film Sat Khoon Maaf in 2011, based on his story Susanna's Seven Husbands. Bond appears as a bishop in the movie with Priyanka Chopra playing the title role. Ruskin Bond received the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dera. He was awarded Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014.